जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 8th chapter अक्षर परब्रह्म योगमु 24th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, now I am going to tell you about the path. If anyone travels in this path, they will not again come back to this cycle of birth and death. They will reach Paramatma and they will enjoy Brahmanandam. In this path, there will be some presiding devatas. That means Abhimana devatas. One Abhimana devata is of Tejas, which is the form of fire. Tejobhimana devata. Another Abhimana devata is of day. And another Abhimana devata is of Suklapaksham. And another devata is of Uttarayanam, which is of 6 months duration. Like this, these Abhimana devatas will be there in this path. This path is known as Archiradi. And great people who meditates upon Paramatma, they travel in this path and reach Paramatma. They do not have to come back to this cycle of birth and death. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining about the path in which if anyone travels, they do not have to come back to again this cycle of birth and death, but they will attain Paramatma himself. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Agni-jyotihi ahasuklaha Shanmasa Uttarayanam Tatra Prayata Gacchanti Brahma Brahmavido Janaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, 3rd Skandam, Tritiya Skandam, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Pralayam, dissolution is also 3 types. One is death of an entity decided based on the time. So this decision is already made. This is known as Nitya Pralayam. This is based on the time of every entity. That is why this is also known as Kala Pralayam. And the second Pralayam is known as Naimittika Pralayam. This one, when the fire comes out from Sankarshana's face, that is when this Pralayam happens. This is known as Naimittikam. This is being done by one element which is known as Agni, that is known as Dravyam. This Pralayam is done by that Dravyam. That is why this Pralayam also known as Dravya Pralayam. And the third type of Pralayam is known as Prakruta Pralayam. This happens because the changes in the Sattvagunam, Rajogunam, Tamogunam, balancing state of these 3 gunas causes one Pralayam, that is known as Prakruta Pralayam. Because of the gunas, 3 gunas, this Pralayam is done. That is why this Pralayam is also known as Guna Pralayam. Oh Vidura, I already told you about 9 types of Srishtis. Now I am going to give you a detailed version of those Srishtis. First Srishti I said Mahat Srishti. Paramatma has this Prakriti as his body. Prakriti means Sattvagunam, Rajogunam, Tamogunam. Also Paramatma has Kalam as his body. Because Paramatma initiates Kalam and because of Paramatma's Sankalpam, through this Prakriti, Mahattattvam is created. This is the first element coming out from the Prakriti. This is known as Mahat Srishti. And second Srushti is Ahankara Srushti. From this Ahankaram, Panchabhutas, 5 elements, Jnanendriyas, Karmendriyas, Manas and Tanmatras, all these things comes out from this Ahankara Srushti. Like this, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 24th sloka of 8th chapter. Agni Jyotihi Ahasuklaha Shanmasa Uttarayanam Tatra Prayata Gachanti Brahma Brahmavido Janaha. Agnijyotihi ahasuklaha shanmasa uttarayanam tatra prayata gachanti brahmavido janaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.